your girlfriend, dude.
I got a camera. I'm gonna beat your ass.
Okay, go.
The poodle is dying because the twig is eating him out. Oh, it's Charlie's turn. But Charlie has a floaty, so he could survive. This is the story of the Three Stooges. Ping's the girl on the tree. Charlie's the quiet one. Charlie's just watching the disaster. This is our story. The end.